Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to show you how to make a wig without a lace closure, how to make your wig look like a lace closure wig without actually using a lace closure. This video was requested by Irene. I'm going to leave the comment on the screen of this video, and in all the comments I decided to just combine all the questions together and answer everything at once. And to understand this video better, you need to go and watch my previous video on how to make a wig without a lace closure using the threading method. The video is on top of my channel. You need to go and check that out so that you can understand this video very well. So before we start with the closure part, first you need to install the rest of your hair as usual, like this. Now to start with the closure, first you're going to take your eyebrow or your marker. You're going to use it to mark where you want the part to be. This is going to help you understand where to sew the hair. So before you start sewing down the hair on the closure, you're going to flip it. This is the back of the weft and this is the front of the weft. And you're going to sew it down from the back. Then you're going to flip it to the front after sewing it down. After sewing the hair down, now I'm going to flip it to the front. It's going to look exactly like this. Then I'm going to use my clips to hold the hair in place. I'm going to go ahead and repeat the same thing with the other side of the hair. Now to lay down the hair with hot iron like Irene requested, make sure that your hot iron is not very hot. Turn it down, make sure it's hot enough to lay down the hair and not to burn it. And I always use around the edge and the tip of the iron to lay down the wig. If you use the middle part, trust me, you will not know when the wig will burn. So this is a synthetic hair. You really have to be careful while you are doing this. To get your wig to lay down really flat like mine all the time, make sure you are using your hand to support the hair while you are laying it. Use your hand to pull the hair a little tightly, then use the iron to press it down. Make sure you do not burn the wig. Just press it down and remove it. Press it and remove it like that. Make this part more defined after laying it down with my iron. I'm going to use my elegant concealer. You can use your foundation if you don't have this type of concealer. So this is how the wig came out. This is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I hope you understand the way I explained everything. And I hope I was able to answer your questions. And if you find this video helpful, please share it to your friends and loved ones. Thank you so much for always supporting this channel and supporting me. Thank you so much. I love you all, and I really appreciate all your support. And yeah, I will see you all in my next video. And if you have any more questions, just leave it down in the comment section. I'll try my best to always, answer your questions and connect with you guys more. And yeah, thank you so much. I will see you all in my next video. Bye.